All right, so the last part that we covered this week was how do we go from function notation to our graph, right? So kind of backwards than what we just did. And so on my example that you guys see in front of you, it says that my original function is f of x equals x, and then it was transformed to create g of x equals negative 2x minus 3. Now, knowing what I know about transformations, I should be able to kind of pick this apart and understand that there's actually 3 different transformations that are happening, right? And so the first one is this negative, and I know that negative is going to flip my function. I know that that 2 that's in front of my x, because it is greater than 1, is going to cause that to become steeper. And then the last thing that I know is this minus 3 is going to cause the line to be moved down 3, right? So kind of have an idea of what to look for. And so if I look at these, I know that this one's not flipped and this one's not flipped. And so the only one that is steeper and flipped and moved down 3 should be this one. Okay, but I can also double check by graphing it in Desmos. So if I graph g of x is equal to negative 2x minus 3. Okay, so again, notice visually what it's looking like. And it does look like the last one, right? So that's kind of the only one that it matches up to. So we want to have an idea of what it should look like on the graph, but we always want to double check in Desmos to make sure that we didn't make a mistake.